Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap allows users to monitor price of various cryptocurrencies and stay updated on price movements and take action timely. To set up price alerts on CoinMarketCap, you need to first open your CoinMarketCap application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your CoinMarketCap application. Now here you'll be taken to Market section. Now tap on your profile on the top right corner. With this, now tap on Settings option. After this, here you can see various of settings. Tap on Push Notification option on the app. Now here you can see Watch List movement. You can tap on the toggle next to Watch List movement. After this, you can select the percentage of price alerts that you want to set. If you set on 10%, then you'll get a price alert when the cryptocurrency increases by 10%. Similarly, here you can see price alerts option. Tap on the toggle next to price alerts. After this, tap on manage option. Now here you can set price alert for a specific cryptocurrency. You need to tap on add price alert option. Then here you can select any of the coins that you want, or you can also tap on the search bar on the top and look for the coin in which you want to set price alert. I'm going on with BTC, that is Bitcoin. So tap on BTC Bitcoin. After this, here you can directly set a price, or you can also change the percentage. If you want to set by price, then here you can enter the price that you want to get alert on. After this, here you can tap on alert by percentage as well, and then you can set a percentage in which you will get alert. I'm going on with 15%. After this, tap on set price alert. With this, now here you can see that my new price alert has been added. This is how we can set up price alerts on CoinMarketCap. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.